All right, here we go, everybody. This is for the 3 times the 18 mega rolls here in Elite. It's been a while since I ran one of these, so bear with me. I've already copied and pasted the list over. We'll just go ahead and type live and get the show on the road. All right, current time is 6:50 p.m., 6:50, 6:50, and 6:50 on the laptop. So we are in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. We got Joe, Andy, Sam. Thank God you're back. Fred, my ass says thanks. Fred, Sam, Joe, and Andy. Good luck, everybody. 7 times as always. My ass says thanks. Fred, 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 and after 6 we have Sam. Current time is 6:50, about to be 6:51 Central Standard Time. 6:51, 6:51, last and final good luck. Fred White in the 7 spot. Congratulations. SFOLKO is the verification code. And we are done. Current time of 6:51, 6:51, and 6:51. Congratulations, Fred. Sorry to everyone else.